Okay, so today class 7th is conducting the assembly. Class 7th boys. Okay, can you tell me what is the theme today? World Science Day. And beautiful card drawn by class 7th. Okay, is it prepared by the boys? And these are the students who are conducting the today's assembly. Thank you so much for the invitation. World Science Day, Peace and Development. Anchor is Jubair Chauhan. Raise your hand. Okay, focus. Okay, then we have pledge by Naman Khari. Where is Naman? Very good. And thought by Mukul Kumar. Then we have facts by Anush Khari. Very good. GK questions by Mayank Nagar. Very good. News by Lakshya Khari. Come forward. Very good. And then we have a speech by Vansh Kumar. That's good to see, beta. I will be there, part of the assembly. Thank you so much for the invitation. God bless you.
7. I am here to conduct this beautiful morning assembly with my talented team member. Today's theme is World Science Day. So join your hands and close your eyes. Gayatri Mantra start. Om Bhurbhavaswaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhavaswaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhavaswaha Tasya Viturvarenyam Prachodayat. Stand at ease. Attention. Prayer purify our mid and soul. Start day with positive attitude and always smile to the world. So join your hand. करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। शुद्ध भाव से तेरा ध्यान लगाए हम। विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से पाए हम। हाँ, विद्या का वरदान तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। तेरा नाम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। मान कभी ना भूले हम। इतना बड़े महान गगन को छूले हम। हाँ, इतना बड़े महान गगन को छूले हम। तुम्हीं से है हर सुबह, तुम्हीं से शाम पर शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु। Hands down. Open your eyes. Now I would like to call Naman for pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elder respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
I would like to call Mukul for thought.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Mukul Kumar. I study in class 7. Today I am delivered a thought. Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates in the world. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Anskari from class 7. Today I am telling you some science facts. Number 1. The planet Earth has more trees. Water can freeze and boil at the same time. Number 3. Light takes almost 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. Number 4. Grasshoppers have ears in their bellies. Number 5. Lizards use their tongues to smell. Number 6. A cloud can weigh as much million pounds. Thank you.
To call Vansh Kumar for his speech.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Vansh Kumar from class 7th. Today I am delivering a speech for World Science Day. World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated annually on 10 November. It highlights the importance of science in our daily lives and its role in promoting peace and development around the world. The day reminds us of how science helps solve global problems like climate change, health issues, and natural disasters. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Mayank Nagar. I study in class 7th. I am asking some GK questions. My first question is, who founded India Academy of Science? Yes, right answer is Sir Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman. My second question is, who is known as the father of India nuclear programming? Yes, right answer is Homi J. Bhabha. My third question is, who is known as the father of the India space programming? Yes, right answer is Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. My fourth question is, what is the discovery of C.V. Raman? Yes, right answer is Raman effect. My fifth question is, when did C.V. Raman win the Nobel Prize in Physics? Yes, right answer is in 1930. My sixth question is, what is the full form of DST? Right answer is Department of Science and Technology. Thank you.
Now I would like to call Lakshay for news.
Class 7. Today I deliver news. First. In first Jammu and Kashmir Assembly session in 6 years round, our PDP Article 370 purpose. Second, Japan launched world first world satellite into space. Third, North Korea launched multiple stores missing head of US pole. Fourth, Donald Trump's return to the White House. Thank you and have a good night.
Standees, attention. Standees, attention. Now I would like to call respected director sir for give some valuable advice. Valuable message.
Very good morning to all. So today we are celebrating World Science Day for Peace and Development. A very well conducted assembly by class 7 boys, and it was good to see that the boys are coming forward and doing such a beautiful assembly, conducted such a beautiful assembly under the guidance of their class teacher Rashmi ma'am, and also a very important theme has been taken for today. So clap for all the boys to come forward here.
before we talk about the theme, one or two things which are really important about this assembly, that very interesting names are here, those students who have contributed for today's assembly. I will be focusing on these students, Naman, Mukul, Ansh Khari, Lakshya Khari, Vansh and Jubair. They all have done beautifully, and it's good to see that they are coming forward on the stage. Though at times they are taking the studies through they are neglecting at times, but it was a good effort from the faculty member that she prepared students in such a way, and it was beautiful to see the way they have conducted today's assembly, and really impressive work also. और ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि सभी को मौका मिले स्टेज पे आने का, और जिन बच्चों का मैंने नाम लिया है इनको ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है नहीं किसी को भी स्टेज पे आने का, एंड I do believe those faculty members who are teaching them, they are also aware about it, but there is the beauty of our school and of the assembly that even those students who are a bit hesitate to come on the stage and hesitate to perform on the mic, but still they are coming and doing their job. That's really commendable. One more time, please applause for all these students for their good work. So let's talk about today's theme, World Science Day for Peace and Development, and why it is so important to celebrate it. तो जो इस साल की जो थीम है, हर साल एक नया थीम होता है. जो इस साल जो यूनेस्को ने थीम दिया है, ग्लोबल साइंस फॉर ग्लोबल वेलबींग, why science matters, engaging minds and empowering future. So we need to understand that science do play a very important role in our day-to-day life. Also, you must be aware that 3 to 4 years ago we had seen a worst impact of COVID-19, where our Indian scientists at the world level, we have been exporting the vaccines, and they have done a commendable job by providing at world over the vaccine, Indian vaccine. So clap for the scientists also for their remarkable work. Today we are saved because of those vaccines, because of those students who were very interested in science, and because of them we able to manufacture and serve the world at such a great scale. That's why science matters. That's why it's really good to engage with the science. And अब कुछ दिल की बातें भी करते हैं जो बच्चों के बहुत नज़दीक है. They love to play a lot of games on the phone, different games. It is also the magic of science only. The beautiful games, the beautiful things which you see on the technology, the software which you are using, the hardware which you are using, that we call as today's smartphone. Yes, जिसके बिना किसी का खाना भी complete नहीं होता है और नींद भी नहीं आती है. Just before, after seeing a lot of videos, after seeing a lot of engaging things on the social media, it is all because of the science, and science can play a great role in our lives, and how we can able to sustain it also. जब हम बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी की, we also do talk about the sustainability, that how we can improve our environment, how we can fight with the natural disasters, natural calamities, where science do play a very important role. It allows us to prepare for the future issues, how we can tackle the environmental issues, how we can tackle the societal issues by engaging with the science. So I do believe that science do play a very important role, and somehow we all do see the phenomena of the science here and there in our surroundings, in our environment. Okay. Then one more thing I would like to talk about. In one of the speech, students has mentioned about C.V. Raman in the GK question by Mayank. Yes? Mayank mentioned GK questions about C.V. Raman. On 7th of November, we celebrated the birth anniversary of C.V. Raman, the first Nobel laureate, and he got the first Asian who got the Nobel Prize in Physics for his work on scattering light. Scattering light मतलब क्या होता है? Light scattering मतलब कोई बताएगा मुझे? 7th class, 8th class, 9th class. About such a phenomena for which he got the Physics Nobel Prize in 1930, and he is also recipient of Bharat Ratna Award. So many congratulations to class 7th for conducting a beautiful assembly on this particular topic, and we should be remembering such great scientists so that we can also You all are the future and the budding scholars front of me. और आप में से भी बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ से साइंटिस्ट बनेंगे. And I do wish कि many students from NR Global School do also get the Nobel Prize.